When you think of the B-2 Spirit stealth bomber, you probably picture this sleek, alien-like flying wings soaring silently through the night sky, with a price tag of over $2 billion per plane. It's one of the most expensive and advanced aircraft ever built. But the B-2's real story, the one that truly defines its complexity and cost, doesn't happen in the air. It happens on the ground, inside specialized hangars, where a monumental effort keeps this ghost of the skies flying. This isn't just maintenance. It's a science, an art form, and a critical part of America's strategic power. Today, we're going inside the hidden world of B-2 maintenance. The challenges start with the B-2 SAB design. Its beautiful, curved, flying wing shape is perfect for evading radar, but it's a nightmare for maintainers. Unlike a normal plane with removable panels, the B-2 is a seamless, integrated structure. To get to internal components, technicians have to navigate a complex maze inside the wing itself. But the biggest challenge is the skin. The B-2's stealth isn't just a coat of paint. It's a complex system of radar-absorbent materials, or RAM, baked right into the aircraft's composite structure. These materials are incredibly sensitive. Even a tiny scratch, a loose seam, or a bit of moisture can compromise the plane's invisibility, making it light up on an enemy radar screen. This means every inch of the aircraft's surface must be perfect all the time. Because of this sensitivity, you can't just park a B-2 in any old hangar. Beat us out live in facilities that are more like clean rooms for building computer chips than aircraft hangars. The temperature and humidity are precisely controlled. Why? Too much moisture in the air can actually be absorbed by the plane's composite skin, affecting its structural integrity and stealth properties. These hangars also have advanced air filtration systems and strict rules to prevent any foreign object debris or FOD. A stray screw or a dropped tool that might be a minor issue on another jet could cause millions of dollars in damage to the B-2's delicate surface. Even the equipment is custom. The work platforms are specially designed to fit the B-2's unique curves and are padded to prevent scratches. Technicians use non-magnetic tools and specialized jacks built to handle the aircraft's immense weight. It's an environment of total control. So what happens when a B-2 returns from a mission? The work is just beginning. A post-flight inspection on a B-2 can take over 24 hours. A team of highly trained technicians swarms the aircraft, but they're not just looking for visible damage. They use specialized tools like dielectric probes and radar reflectometers to measure the electrical properties of the stealth coatings, ensuring they're still performing as designed. They're basically giving the aircraft a full body scan to find any tiny imperfections that could compromise its stealth. This meticulous process is what gives the B-2 its staggering maintenance ratio. For every single hour the B-2 spends in the air, it requires an estimated 50 to 60 hours of maintenance on the ground. Compare that to the old workhorse, the B-52, which needs about 15 hours. A huge part of that maintenance time is dedicated to the stealth coatings. This is a painstaking, multi-step process. If a damaged section is found, technicians can't just slap a new coat on. First, they have to carefully remove the old material using approved solvents and gentle abrasives. Then, in that same climate-controlled environment, they apply new layers of the proprietary and very expensive radar-absorbent materials. After application, the new coating has to cure under specific conditions, sometimes for days. Finally, the repaired area is tested again. Ground-based radar systems, like the B-2 signature assessment system, are used to measure the aircraft's radar cross-section right there in the hangar, verifying that the repair has restored its stealth capabilities perfectly. It's a level of precision that is simply unheard of in most other areas of aviation. Of course, it's not just the skin. The B-2s for engines, which are buried deep inside the wing to reduce their heat signature, require special attention. Maintainers have to inspect the unique serpentine intakes and blended exhausts that are crucial for hiding the jet from infrared sensors. The B-2 also undergoes phased maintenance, just like other military aircraft, but on a much longer timeline. Every 7 years or so, each B-2 is sent for a massive depot-level overhaul. This isn't a tune-up. The aircraft is practically taken apart, inspected piece by piece, repaired, upgraded, and then meticulously This process can take over 1.5 years to complete and costs tens of millions of dollars per aircraft. Who are the people doing this incredible work? B-2 maintenance technicians are some of the most highly skilled and specialized personnel in the entire Air Force. Their training can last up to 2 years and involves a mix of classroom learning, simulators, and hands-on practice. Many earn certifications in niche fields like advanced composites or low observable technology skills that have no direct civilian equivalent because they're working on one of America's most sensitive military assets. Every single maintainer holds a high-level security clearance. The work is organized into specialized teams: low observable technicians, who are the masters of stealth coatings; avionics specialists for the complex electronics; structural experts for the composite airframe; and systems integrators who understand how a change in one area can affect the entire aircraft. It's a team of superstars, each a specialist in their own right, working together to keep this technological marvel in perfect condition. All of this specialized work, infrastructure, and personnel comes at a staggering cost. The B-2 costs around $130,000 for every hour it flies. A huge chunk of that cost is maintenance. The proprietary stealth coatings and other materials are incredibly expensive and have a limited shelf life, costing millions per year. And the specialized hangars themselves represent hundreds of millions of dollars of investment. There are only 3 places in the world equipped to handle major B-2 maintenance: Whiteman Air Force Base in Missouri, a forward base in Guam, and the Northrop Grumman facility in Palmdale, California. This exclusivity adds another layer of complexity and cost to the whole operation. But the B-2 maintenance world is constantly evolving. As the fleet ages, engineers are developing new repair techniques for material fatigue that they couldn't have predicted 30 years ago. They're integrating predictive maintenance, using sensors and data analytics to anticipate failures before they happen. They're also exploring advanced tech like 3D printing to create custom tools or replacement parts on the spot. These innovations are crucial, especially as the Air Force prepares to introduce the B-2's successor, the B-21 Raider. The B-21 has been designed from the ground up with lessons learned from the B-2, with a major focus on making it more durable and easier to maintain. But even as the Raider comes online, the B-2 will continue to fly for years, meaning this incredible maintenance effort will have to continue. In the end, the B-2 spirit is a paradox. To achieve its effortless, invisible presence in the sky, it requires an extraordinary and highly visible effort on the ground. The $2 billion price tag is just the entry fee. The true cost of stealth dominance is paid every single day, hour by hour, in these remarkable hangars, by thousands of dedicated personnel. Their work is the hidden pillar that supports one of the most powerful weapons ever created, ensuring that when it matters most, the B-2 spirit can do its job, unseen and unopposed. It is a monumental testament to human ingenuity, precision, and dedication. Thanks for watching. If you found this look inside the world of the B-2 fascinating, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into incredible technology. See you next time.